Check it out, check 1 2. mingi teletups olen sellega. Nii on parem. On nii parem, on, nii on parem. Kust me pihta hakkame siis? Maja ette. Läheme sauna juurde. Hi to you too in YouTube. About my channel name change. My previous channel name was just my name, and that doesn't say anything about my channel actually. Projects in progress. Why this name? Because of I have a lot of projects going on at the same time, and most of them are in progress, not finished completely. Busy traffic today, but let's go and see some of those projects. One of them is actually this sauna. It is almost finished, but one thing is not done yet. I want to build staircase or stairs up to there, to the second floor. I haven't been able to do it because of the other projects. This sauna was built in 2016. Another project, this one, it's formerly as a grain dryer building, but I want to do it. I want to build a workshop in that for repairing cars. I have a 2-post car lift. I need to redo the floors and insulate it, that I'm able to work in this at the winter or cold times. This is also project in progress. This is going to be fire pond for another project in progress. Tomorrow comes excavator and starts to clean it up. I cut down some trees here. It needs to be cleaned up, made bigger, a bit bigger. I need 108 cubic meters of water by the project, and I need to install dry hydrant around here due to regulations in Estonia. Let's go see that building. That building. For what I need this fire bond. Spring is coming. I need to cut down those trees as well. And this is the shelter for agricultural equipment. It is, I would say, 95% completed. I need to fill in that gap under here, so the water that drops down on the ground doesn't splash into the building. The end walls are done. Back wall is not done. I'm using old tin roof plates. Sustainable. It is 8 meters wide, 25 meters long. Then there are some smaller projects. One is this wheel loader and its steering system. This pin and these holes are worn out. I need to make new pin, and I'm going to make 15 millimeter thick new holes. I'm going to turn a round plate with a 40 millimeter hole and weld it one up and one down. Yeah, grease. Back. It has a about 2 millimeter play in it. Yeah, spring, muddy season. This is the workshop in future. There are some tractors and stuff in it at the moment. These pipes are going in that pond for that hydrant system. Then we have one piece of another project here. This is a new cutting edge or blade for that front wheel loader bucket. The old blade is worn off. Need to replace that. Cut the old edge off and weld new one on. And this is the car shelter for cars that I built last summer and autumn. This is 6 by 9 meters. This one needs second layer of paint outside and first layer paint inside. This is also 95% done. We had some problem with birds. They thought that it is good to sit up there and poop down on the roof of cars. So I already installed these bird spikes up there. I'm in the middle of that process. This kind stainless steel, as they say. These go up there, so the birds can't sit or stand. Birds don't sit, they stand on their feet, stand on top of this how do you call this, beams, and poop down. This pile of soil needs to be leveled out. And then I have some two motorbikes projects I need to finish. They're not projects, they are more like maintenance. Okay, flickering. I need to pause this video and change the refresh rate so it doesn't flicker. That's better, no flickering. Two bikes, both are mine. This one is 1987 Kawasaki Vulcan VN 750. It needs new cables. This is choke cable that broke off. It was so rotten inside. I ordered new cables as I was it. I ordered new throttle cables, push and pull 2 cable system, then choke cable and clutch cable. So all new cables going on that bike. Already changed the grips. Old ones were broken. It's dusty. Needs to be washed also. This one is 2001 Husqvarna TE 610E. Okay, someone's calling. My son called. He's starting this Minecraft nonsense. I needed some help. So where was I? (2001) Husqvarna TE 610E is electric start version. This is it had starting issues, cold start issues. I installed Keihin FCR41 MX carburetor on it, and it was jetted for 250cc bike. When it started, it actually ran quite good, but it turns out that idle jet or starting jet was too small. It had, what was it? Where is it? It's been on the table, took apart about a month or so, because I ordered gasket kits and new jets. First order went missing at first, then I reordered, and both orders came through. But luckily seller offered me to send one package back and refunded. Starting jet that I need was 45, but in that carb was, where is it? Was it 35 or something? Basically too small. So I need to clean this up, install new gaskets and bigger idle jet or slow speed jet, starting jet. Then I changed rear brake light switch. This one is bad, doesn't work. Mind the mess. It is common for projects in progress. Everything is systemized. This is my son's bike. This is Yamaha TT50R. This one was, what was it? Somewhere 2016 year model. This lower mud guard was installed by me because when riding in the snow, through a lot of snow and ice on the cylinder, and engine was too cold. Maybe at summertime I will take this off so it doesn't get too hot, because this fender blocks air flow. So lot going on. That's why projects in progress. I think that I covered about 80% my projects, ongoing projects. But that's it. That's why name change. All my airgun stuff will be and will be another channel, my new channel, 177 Airgunner. You can check these out if you haven't seen those. New videos will be coming there soon. And next video in this channel will be about this bike. I'm going to put carburetor together, put it on, slap it back together, and trying to start and tune it. Then it's going to be cable changings for this one, and oh, tomorrow is coming the excavator for the Firebond, so I'm going to probably do some time lapses on there, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and go see that my other YouTube channel, 177 Airgunner. It just started. Subscribe if you are interested, and see you in another one.